What's up, guys? Welcome back to KAYNA-MEDIA. Yeah, me know I me dig gone, but guess what, guys? Me come back. Cause I wanna know why. Yeah. Chat, me never did know why me never did a post. No, I never did it for post. So could have shoot or no. So, alright, sorry about that, people. So yeah, me there about now. Me I go try shoot and drop video as much as I can because honestly, like. Sometimes I don't even have no time to shoot my own show because I shoot for the rest of them. You understand? So yeah, guys. So just make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe and everything. If me point I come and walk up and done some for shoot video for you enjoy. You see me? Alright, so big up on yourself. I love everybody.
You busy from other day, man, kind of caught up, man. Yeah, man. You know what I say? You soon check him out, soon link up, man. I want to, man, so I'm kind of busy and kind of caught up, you know? You know what I say, man. Soon check him, man. I'll be right, you know?
What happened? Are we ahead? What happened?
Right now, a course that call me from two for fan.
Course way.
You see a course look. A course that call
Let me see how we have on the phone and so what. Which number this?
A quotes, you know, quotes. Remember, so when you take your fan, you go down and take your fan for a day and I'm pay Peter, you know.
I talk to quotes so long for almost 2 hours.
So they want to say what they want to come beef and I'm saying
for 2 hours. Look here, no play. Look here. No play with me.
I play with them, man.
They don't want somebody to play with you.
Remember, so when you pay fee for
Me's a mad girl. Me say you can't play with me. You can't go around me. You can't take me for idiot. You can't take me for idiot.
Man, easy yourself.
Me say if you can't take me for idiot.
Can I idiot me take you for remember when you pay fee fun? Remember say the one that kind of mash up. I will take this one out for a piece alone. You know pay fee.
You really sit down. This and tell me like in my face.
What kind of lie me I tell you? You know see number say a course that call me. You want to call you back?
Me said a ramp with me. For me head no right. My head not right, so don't play with me.
Man, I want to keep on the up in a man, believe man.
Yeah, see this? Me with papi, and bust your bars.
No bossy man, do. So I want to keep on the up, man.
You know, me not say until you just remember say, my head not right, and me a mad girl.
Everything good, man.
My friend never tell about me.
What can I lie me for you tell you?
It's alright. Well, next time me I go catch you, don't worry about it. I go do what me have to do.
Hold that.
You're not. Every day you doing it.
So around with that every day you change your hair too. So
yeah, I change it.
So I
look
catch
nice.
up my head right.
Anyways, what I
Not a thing.
girl, I know some contact you about something.
What?
Born on my ex thing. Remember, don't find him.
Wait.
Yes.
Wait, sweetie, wait. Get up.
Alright. You know, see me and this boy there.
Yeah.
Boy, tell me virginity, everything that me and boy relationship I go good. One if I know, so the boy left my phone and my best friend. Girl, laugh after me, really?
No.
Oh, yeah, me not laugh after me.
Yeah, thanks.
Anyways, as me I say, the boy left me for my best friend. One of them. Yeah, I mean, I tell you, I want back here, because I love the boy, you know? I love the boy.
Shut up. Yeah, you're so like you could never
Girl,
be my
listen to me.
dunk, so.
I him take me virginity and not him me love. I'm a want
Girl,
him back.
listen, you say if that man didn't want you or he didn't love you, he would have left you in the first place for
Me
your
not
other
busy
friend.
where you want to, the way where you want
Me not,
to.
girl, I don't give a damn either. May I tell you something good? May I tell you something right?
You're not telling me nothing good. You have to tell me, say, girl, if you want your man, go on back to him.
No, you left him alone.
Me not left him. I am me want. I'm my man.
If I feel away, how you not have no ownership?
Listen to me. Listen to me. It is just for your time, be whatever you call it.
It's a
me I go back to my man. I mean I stop till me get him.
Girl, I'm go sit down. There's like, maybe you know, A whole heap of man out the road want you. You'd rather go back in that the relationship.
Yes.
There, if not,
Yes.
it end up left you again and then you go come back and
Then me
come
go
back
back.
to
Then
me.
me go back for him again.
Hey, you have sense.
Yeah.
You did try your band with sense.
Girl, me have sense. I in me love and I in me want. And me go back.
You have sense, but you just don't know say you have sense. You have knowledge say you have sense, but you just don't know if you use the sense them.
You know, so me come away if you encourage me if you tell me if you go
Me
back.
encourage you to go find a new man. Plenty of man out there. Man out there.
I me tell you say I in me want. I in me
tell you
want.
left him. The
Me
one
not
that-
left him. I
know
me not
yourself
stop till I
worth.
get him back.
You lower your standards for
Me
somebody
not
when
really
you
care what you want about.
So when you come here, come ask. Where
Me come if you encourage me if you tell me say yes girl, go on back for your man. You
Girl.
say me and
Girl, black girl. You see if you're not going to listen to me, I say, don't come over here, come ask me or tell me nothing. Okay? So, you see, me tell you,
But
look
what
here.
is?
Look up on one nice little brown boy they done this so he did like you. Yeah. No one
You know that brown boy a problem. My man more. Yes,
Jabon
I
don't
am
love
want.
you.
Yes.
Not one bit. Jabon don't love you one bit.
Me say I am want.
Alright then. Do what to do. Do what you think is right.
Anyways, I can't make it
No.
Why?
You're bright. You're dunks. You're even bright. You're dunks.
What is?
Girl, don't involve me. Go on by your business.
It's alright. And now come back over here contact you.
I don't want you to come back over here and chat to me about this.
Your hairstyle don't look good by the way.
Thank you. Your shape bad like ginger beer back up. All that shape too good for you.
Why me I tell her say it's sun hot? I'm glad the sun gone in cold front. Shorty! Shorty!
What you want?
What me want? Give just a minute.
Yes, me I go somewhere.
So me blind?
So where you stop me for?
Come here, I must be police. Come here and just give me 1 minute. Hey, full attitude, so. Come like your grandmother cuss you to the coyote fish spot.
Come,
So
what
you
you
come in
want?
a bad mood.
What you want? Talk or...
I tell her say, yo, you know, say, really and truly do. You're my type. Me like slim, me like short. Me not like thick, and me not like fat. You're really my type.
Type where? You see type mark for me? Listen to me now, sir. Me no want you. To tell you the honest truth, me no
Aye.
want you.
Give me one good reason why you don't want me.
Because a one man me see and a one man me want.
So how me not see him?
Oh, you not see him?
Wait,
No,
when
you
did?
so see him. Anyways, me and Didi and he take my virginity. I want a girl, one of my friends.
Wait. Talking other years.
Me
Why?
say, me I want man Didi and he take my virginity. I want a girl take him away and me want him back.
Talking other one.
And him me want, me no want him, me no want no money for no him. Him alone me
So
here
you
see.
tell me say true and take your virginity.
Yes.
You don't want nothing else, man.
No other is one. A one job one to me thing.
Jawbone.
Yes.
What kind of name that Jawbone?
Look here, love me man name alone and that make me start on you too, you know.
Why you aggressive do? Take your time, man. Take
Yes,
your time,
and me
man.
I go go on.
Take
Come
your
know you stop me for.
Take your
You
time, man.
broke no
You
rotted.
feel glad? You feel glad me there look you?
Me no want you look me, me
You-
mad already.
You
You
suppose.
know, go on where you go man, you make me dip up on there, you know. Just take a little time, go on. You broke at it, boy.
Cup on him backside too. If you ever know one favor, I shouldn't even know say I rum and the cigarette I tell me say if you look hard. I better say me never did drink and smoke. Me wanna look hard. Favor man in a book. Me don't know.
Why? Some girl live with the boy, but I me the boy want.
I don't know if I'm that girl that really attack.
The boy mad over me chat.
I'm that girl that really
Some girl
attack.
live with the boy, but I me the boy want. Yeah, boy.
And I'm
spend
convinced
for
I'm
me.
that girl they chat me.
Me say the boy spend for me to last night.
Me have a page jar, you know. Me have a page jar.
Yeah.
Hey, my girl, I'm here talk.
What is?
Yeah, laugh like me give a joke. You see joke come up on my face.
Look at gingerbread girl, me did see you.
Me say for me here talk.
Gingerbread
Just
girl, me
up
did
me
see
mouth
you.
and say me here they talk.
Me say me did see you. Awa.
Girl, just make your mouth slip and say me here talk. Me in a bag me in a laga talking. Me in the talking. Just make me know if for me you really attack.
Girl, you know my league, so I can't go with you right now. But anyways,
If you want to take it the way there, take it the way there. My girl. Oh, watch out. I was share flash.
Some boy am mine, man.
I want to string bean. String bean, and that's to say ear like a shot. I want pack of bread. Leave a curl, but that was about hairstyle. I want to, my girl. Next time when I see me on the right, I take you left. Watch out. Watch out. Scarecrow, and I can't feel him to put you. Jesus.
Jafford, come here. Why come like say you are your external things?
You remember external things? I'm mad, man. Just one over that, man.
What do you mean one night?
One night.
I saw you really are going with the girl.
You mean me going with the girl?
I find a girl say, oh, me want him back at him alone and this and that. So I really want to extend to see girl.
I want me back. I mean.
Why?
I just want to rum fuck that.
Rumble?
You know, you don't drink up rum and go in.
What a way you're wicked. You see all the man like a uno no. You see if I didn't that the girl then I'll do my friend I go call her because of the So you see if I didn't she, you know what me would I do? Hey, I would get some acid and I would take it to a look at Johnny. Yes, when I done with her look at Johnny.
What do you mean by that?
Baby Johnny down there. So you see anytime me do that then anytime you go to doctor, me tell the doctor, cut it off, clean. Me make sure I damage is in hand no use. It wouldn't damage be and repair. No.
You can't go so far.
Not a tip. Because you have to take a girl for idiot. Because she have one like a coffee. That's why you can't get to with certain things. But you see what I tell you what me would do. Second God I never me you there with. Me I tell you what me would do. Hey, this is when I done with you. You could even have put the walk. I would have chop off the mother's guns after that. You would have come off clean.
Alright,
Why you argue with me for? You don't be my man. You say at least you can't do it on a panty.
Yeah, go on, yeah. I'm not hear what you say right now.
I don't give a damn. I can't know say you walk with say disgusting a little piece of shite. Make a din me, yeah?
I wonder what this boy here. They look pan the time. Yeah, we at pan him, you know.
So if you skin up so?
Where you come from?
Where me I come from? Where you from?
Where you come from?
Where
you coming from? Look pan the time.
Oh, watch no time. Me
where you come from?
I go look work.
Oh.
And me provide in a house. Where you come from? Look what you go this morning.
So where you question me from? Me no me old woman.
Where me old man?
Where you question me from? Me ask you where you come from. You switch to tell me where you come from. A girl down the road.
Girl can put me in my pocket.
Me say for you a girl
down the road. Can put me in my pocket.
So why you can't answer me where you come from? Me tell you no ramp with me.
Work.
Me tell you no ramp with me.
Me not blind me, you know. To mine not blind, me easy yourself. I too jealous, brother man.
Where you come from? I know you not answer me. Me say where you come from?
Work, me go look. Answer your question, alright? Me go look work. If you put food in your house, where you come from now? Cause you get up this morning and just left before me when wake up. Where you come from?
Where me know me I come from?
You not work, you know. Where you come from?
So true, me not work. Me feel lock up in the house. I know where catch breeze.
You mean lock up in the yard or stay in the yard, empty yard?
Yeah.
You are not big enough. You can't sit down night.
Come here, yard.
Just like you come and sing and wait for me. I wonder where me I come from.
Come here, yard, tete.
You don't have to be yard, tete.
Brother, I don't know how me can't trust you, know.
You mean you can't trust me?
I don't know.
You have to learn to trust
me.
me.
Come on, know where you do with your money, brother.
What do you mean? The food you come put in your house.
Food
me not give you money too.
Food you can come put in your house.
Hey, me not give you money.
See where you go.
You name it off. Me don't wonder where you go to.
Everything. Look here, don't ramp with me. Me say don't ramp with me. And you say you're no girl up on road, you know how you go. Me say no play with me, come hey.
Brother, easy yourself, brother man.
You better go on in the house too, you know, before me take this black and lick it in the head side.
And why, man?
Me say go on in the house, come you know where you come from. Them a time you almost soon 5 o'clock. And you some match come in, boy, you go look work.
You cook?
Where you go look work?
Say if you cook.
Don't worry about that.
You cook?
Me say we worry about that. Me and I hold the conversation there. After you come in the house, you come look for food.
Listen, man, I work, me go look.
After you
I provide in the house.
You come look for food. The best thing you do is go on. You hear?
I show me no beat, you can't go on name up yourself, you hear?
Best thing you do is go on.
Name up yourself
right now. Where you come from, them a backside house. And you me here say, you know girl down here, those like how me pass and hear the girl there drop word. Hey, look here now. Ramp with me, you know, boy. Settings on something tonight. What's stuff? We forget some food stuff, man.
And tell me say, oh, yeah, short of food. We are left here. I'm going to food stuff.
What is wrong with you?
What's wrong with you?
When boy, they me out boy live rent free.
Lord Jesus Christ, every time that picture
Boy, I feel work now.
Every time that picture girl I see me, she I am me at time something. Every time
When boy, them here, boy, live rent free.
Every time that picture you see me, she drop. But girl, where you want with me, girl? Every time you see me, you stop with me. Where you want with me, girl?
Ask a man.
Where you want with me? Me say where you want with me?
Ask a man. I don't want with you, girl. Excuse for in front of me. Excuse for in front of me.
Every time you see me, you dash your word. I want.
Yeah.
I want.
You stand up in
Me tell you,
front of
say
me.
when you see me on the right, you take the left.
Hey, girl, don't push me.
And that me say you feel. When you see me on the right, you take the left. You kill it. Take it left. When every time you see me, you let me kill it, girl. Can you tell me, girl? Move away from me, girl. Move. Hey, girl. What is wrong with you? Every time you see me,
What's wrong with you?
You feel like me stop controlling, man. You feel like me controlling, man. You feel like me controlling, man. Don't touch me. Let go from me. Controlling, man.
Man, look who.
Let go from me, man.
Come go on
Why
in
can't
your
control
yard.
me alone?
In can't you control it, look one
And you forget lick too. Look how you have girl that come disgrace me for a road.
You want me broke your piece of bamboo, my grandma in a beat. Man, take your... Look at it.
Yes, better.
When me this come on over your yard, man.
Disgrace me for
Tell
a
them to
road.
if nobody with the war.
Wait till me go. Wait till me
Go
go.
with the 1 inch man. Your man a 1 inch girl. Go with the man. You look 1 inch dirty girl. You. Girl, you may walk and look fine, no, girl.
I'm not lost, you don't have to walk and look for me. I was in my yard.
Mr. Girl, me a piece of drama for you.
So you could have come give me, you can't cook on me and come give me a job and you forgive me, sir?
No, me have someone else to go after this. But anyways,
Sorry.
accept me and the girl in a fight. Yes, the same girl with job one left me for here. Me see her, me what pan the girl, you see? And me and the girl fight. And the boy did the thing and all the thing he do a turn up. And I talk about stop it fighting, baby, stop it fighting.
A girl beat you?
Beat who?
If you did beat you up, me I'm glad.
No, me box her and she box me and me them lick her again. Yeah.
Oh, look here then. Watch out. Girl. Me don't want it. Stop it. Me not. Stop
Sorry, I let me fall.
Come back here so to me. I chat to you.
Me now come
Me
here so.
I be your best friend right now. Me want you go, me want you come. And you don't listen.
I don't you feel me?
Yes! You have to get more. Me tell you, leave the man alone. Because it come like say gentleness now work for you. So make me get strong and rough. Leave him man alone. Him man no want you. Love him.
Yeah. What me want him?
He don't want you, girl. Value yourself. Respect yourself.
Can be say lick me, girl.
You should have
Look here.
Look here. You say a Buffy. And you sense them a try exit your head, so me a try lick in the back so you can have sense. Because what you do don't make no sense. So, girl, me tell you, other man exists, other man did it, other man go did it, we value you. Lord, that they want their dog shit. Yo, what you want to do with that? You not tell that shit in your life. Eh? Shit come to your body. You want more shit come from you?
I know shit in me, a man in me.
Right now, we word them, we are come out of your mouth as shit too.
You know, say it's not a real friend.
Not a real friend. Let me tell you this. Me are the best friend. Me are no real friend. Me are the best friend and realest friend we could have ever have.
Yes, if you are the good friend,
me you
come beat the girl with me. You help me beat the girl.
Unfortunately, me no good. Me sensible. I know if you have sense, I go and go sit down. I know my man, you know, make no sense to fight for man. Because right now, if you fight and you get him back, another somebody can come and take him.
Simple. I'm going to take him again.
Why not?
So you grip him.
Grip him with what? You have flesh with wrap around and grip nobody?
Yes.
Look how you meager. You live a maga. Look how you meager.
Me will hold my put me 2 foot them around my grip him tight and lock him in.
Kiss me teeth. So, if you lap around him, so you not just stand up and walk with you around him. Simple. You light, you know. You're little and light. You're easy 1, 2, 3.
At least when I walk with me around him now, girl, I got time to look upon him.
Kiss me teeth. They're good to see as well, like a backpack. As me say, me are the bestest and realest friend you could have ever asked for in your life. So if you're not going to take my foolish advice, don't come back home. Me tell you, keep your trials and tribulations to yourself, you know. You think I joke. Keep them to yourself. If you're not going to listen to me, I listen to me. I say, no, come to me with your problem then.
I
Go
just,
see,
I
go
don't, me
see,
can't
girl.
come to it, me problem them. I'm come to you say, girl, box me, shall go box back, girl, instead of come
Well,
box me.
alright. You want me give you advice then? You want me be realist friend? Go back at the man yard and make a girl give you 2 more so you can learn. Unfortunately, 2 them where you get never enough. It never enough.
So if me go back up there, you come with me.
No, you're crazy. Me
So when me I go back up there, go do. Me just say, girl, give me 2 rotted box, me say that.
You should have
And
still
my
get
face
them.
hurt me. And then you can't give me 2 more, make it worse, sir.
Yeah, big up to me. Me I try and accent in you.
Yeah, man,
Unfortunately,
Yeah,
you
but
don't
I
got it, so me I try put it in.
the amount of lick me get already, if then lick sense na me not get no more sense.
Well,
then
I
I have to beat me, I go beat out the words. It look good sense that when in my well, if in my head that I go do.
Look
You
here.
beat them
No.
out.
You don't have none left. Stop disgrace yourself. So, me I try licking some in you. Me I transfer some from my body to me hand. Walk home and knocking some in you. Where you run from? Me not lick you again. Me not lick you again. No. It too late them this so they you did deserve it though, cause you love go like you heed that. Me tell you some no walk apart with heed that. Yeah. So go on like you have sense.
Yes. Me go on like me. I say me love the
But
dirty football.
but you see, as I would say, you want me be the bestest friend, follow your heart. If your heart to run and go jump in a fire, follow it. If your mind to run and go take the boy, you run and go take the boy. But next time, don't come to me with the problems. If you're not going to listen, don't come to me with the problems. Because me try to find a solution, give you run for a solution.
Me not find a solution because the boy take me virgin. Me love the boy.
Alright
Take
then.
me fool.
Okay, me understand. I just say no understand. You know where if you go to now? Seek Jesus. And him are the truth way of life, everything. So if you want nothing in, go see Jesus. If you want the boy, go to Jesus. Jesus will give you the answers. Unfortunately, me can't provide the answers the way you want. So you know where you don't know? Go to Jesus. Go to church, baptize, repent, go pay your need and pray to God for forgiveness. Go and be a business and
After me not no sin.
God, oh Jesus. You may never know.
Me not have no sin if go down on my knees and ask God for forgiveness.
You may never know. You read the Bible? No, you don't know what you do if you're sinful or what. What if you go lick other people for man sinful? Eh?
What?
What if you go fight people over for them own man is
My
sinful?
man and mine, and me forcing the widow.
You have
me.
You have papers for man?
Is the penny in something?
Oh.
Alright, my name
Oh.
penny. Yeah.
Kiss me, Rod's teeth.
Oh,
You
what do you-
idiot.
Hey,
Look
me
here.
right, me name
Go and buy
penny
your
for
business. No call see me again. No call see me again when you have
So
problems.
when the girl beat me, can come to you.
You're not here. So wrong with your ears. You really mean when I say no nonsense?
You better say it, not go help me.
We can't really say no nonsense. Damn kutu.
Me a go grab your yard.
Be you just come lie down so. Be you not gonna look something for eat.
Soon go look something, man. I know you're hungry. I'm hungry things I farm there you eat.
I'm hungry, man. My belly a twist, man. I want something for eat. You know when I'm hungry, I'm angry, you know.
No bother with that this morning, man. I can't bother. Yesterday a problem. I can't bother the problem this morning.
But I'm hungry. What
Where you want to eat in the morning?
Just go down to the shop, go buy 1 pound of rice and half pound of meat and seasoning and now come and cook food.
No, it's on my watch if I'm coming on the money right now.
I'm hungry, so I have to wait.
Shop, yeah, when you shop up, I can't trust. You trust shop, I can't get something from the trust shop, I don't have money.
I now wait so long, I'm hungry, so sorry. Go get something for me eat.
If I go up and road, you still have to wait.
Me say, go get something for me eat. Cause you know when woman hungry, woman angry, you know, I'm miserable. Me
So when man hungry, man do?
Period, you know, hey.
When man hungry, what they do?
What you know? I'm hungry.
You say when man hungry, what happen?
I'm hungry, I'm not talk again. I'm not go back and forth with you more than I'm hungry. I'll get something for me eat. That's all I have to say to you.
Alright, say you want rice, that's all.
Yes.
See the water, yeah? Go and drink it till me come. Make it full of belly
You
till me
think
come.
water hungry, boy?
Me say, make it full of belly till me come. Come tell us, when you trust shop open, me get chicken or whatever you want.
Jesus
Me
Christ,
no no
help me
money
with
for
that
me bag empty. When you
Water
hear me
and
there,
hungry no agree.
Go
They
and
never
drink
tell
water.
you that.
me say go and drink water. Drink your water, we be full of belly in the due time.
And no come back without nothing for you to know head shop lock. Right.
Miss Charmian, good morning. Sorry for butting your house like this, but this you grieve now.
Oh God, I want.
Your daughter came to talk to you about your daughter.
I want to have.
No, we don't have nothing, man.
Oh.
I'm a G that. But yesterday, me did have to clap 2 cents in him. You want to know what girl I do? A girl a run down man. Like, me tell you, he come at me yard, you know, and he tell me, say, he love her for one boy, and he not left the boy alone. Because that boy, they take him virginity. And me tell me, say, girl, you better you go and go leave the boy alone, because man no run away.
Hold on. Stick a pin. Take away what?
Our virginity.
Jaja. I saw me out of touch. Me never know Me never know her with man, but she's... So wait, what? Me confused. Where you lick her for? Cause on two no fight.
She did on road yesterday, right? And when she did it, she made him a fighty girl over her own a man. If you understand. So when he come and tell me now, me dey feel like in 2 cents in him, cause he not supposed to do that. He not supposed to fight nobody. If a man don't want him, a man just don't want her.
My shot here to that?
Best believe.
You sure she... Our beauty spot gone?
Probably.
You know what else to do. Me talk to this girl, you know. Me talk to them. Eh? Why she can't follow her brother? Her brother big soldier foreign. Eh? I help me out more times. So what this man? And I fight girl out the road for her man?
Well, technically she say, the man take her virginity and a fear man and she want back the man and that she been a say, and I have no idea. I just pay that in the pan and I tell her say yesterday man come tell me saying do this and I'm feel licking sense in him.
Anyhow, you never lick sense into her, me would I do it.
Yeah, and hopefully anytime she when the by the way.
Huh?
When the by the way.
She's supposed to be around her room.
Guess what? It never too much for licking sense in him because I don't believe she will stop. So me I go if in the run room, me I go my yard before you go here say I can't tell you. You know
yes, baby girl, thank you for telling me.
If I wasn't here, I want like a birdie pinch you and tell you something.
I fight next girl for her man.
Yes.
Watch me little brute.
Remember the bush have ears and everything.
Alright baby, me know what to do. Thank you for telling me. Yeah. No sir, let me drink some water because my pressure gone up. Shawty, come here. Not my Shawty!
Yes, mommy.
Me kiss and come, man. And what is... Jaja.
Yes, mommy. So, mommy, I'm here. You see?
Now put your hand on me. Let me ask you something. You a big woman now? Or you still my little shorty? Which one? Answer, man.
Me a big woman.
Okay. At least you know if you tell the truth. You have man a road. You have a man and I take your virginity. Hey?
Mommy. Me not have no man. I have an ex-man. Yeah. Ex-man me have. One girl take him from me.
Okay. And that you want back. A walla will left you want back.
Mommy, I him take me virginity. I me no want no 2, 3, 4, 5 man I go to me. I him I want back.
Hold on. You start count numbers in this, you know?
Yeah.
Hey, what is not this? Me never know. Me born just now. So tell me something. When you turn big woman and this?
But mommy, me 18, you know?
Yeah. So from when you are take wood? Answer me from when you are take wood. You're big enough to take big man, so you're big enough to answer question.
Mommy, I when me just turn 18.
Jaja.
For my birthday.
Hey! So hold on, all this under my nose. Me got nose blind and me can't smell what one under my nose.
But I don't know if it smell.
Okay. I really true. Come and miss it for truth. You
So
come in and me no know.
So mommy, I who tell her this?
Never you mind who tell me this. A little bird come pitch by my shoulder. Let me tell you something. You are my picnic. Me not say enough you have a little man, you know, and a little boyfriend because you guys have feelings.
But you see the whole bring shame down on this here yard, me not in it.
Oh, me I bring shame, mommy.
Eh? How you bring shame?
Yeah.
Eh? What me hear say? You heard the outer street a run down man that left you and gone. Eh?
Me not run him down, me just want him back. Me I take him back from the girl.
Stick up in my phone. I see your phone for me now. What, girl? You can talk quick. What you say, what? Who for that? All right. Thank you. Thank you. A fight, girl? You a fight, girl?
I said chat too much.
Oh, a big woman you talk to. Know your place. All right. Me phone you back. Oh. So a girl man. And what she said, the girl a beat up the man and that you fight back for? Eh?
Mommy, I did my man first.
Did your man first? You supposed to get the next girl take him. Eh? And you fight girl out the street. You fight girl out the street for walla left. What wrong with you? I saw it a jump. But I saw it a jump.
I did my man first and then she can't take him. So I want him back.
So he want you?
Yes.
Oh, in my walk?
No.
Hey! Me ask something. Him wear clothes properly or him is one of them walla left boy where wearing trousers is my uncle?
Hey, uncle.
Eh.
But if you wear a uncle, mommy, how that I go look?
A rank with me?
No.
You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Him a look work?
maybe.
Oh, hey, Jaja.
Mama, me not know name not there yet, so me not
Yet?
know.
Hold on, so they did there.
Yeah, me I tell you we did there and the girl take him from me and then me want to take him back from the girl.
So hold on, how you have boyfriend and they even have the decency to come and say, Mommy, this is my friend me I talk to. Eh? I saw me raise girl. Eh? Your boyfriend and you don't even, so him don't know where you come from, him don't know nothing about you. Eh? So some man can drag you a while or because you don't come from nowhere.
You not drag me.
Okay. And you fight parents picnic for them man that don't want you. You idiot. I saw you love lick.
He never lick me.
So how fight go? When the talk fight. Come on, that me here.
No, he lick me, no, but he never beat me up. Really king me give him back.
Oh, every lick them give you back.
box him too.
Oh, you box him too.
Yes, my box her.
Well, like that you should have get. That's what I'm fight. But you're that on the street a fight woman for your man. Eh? A fool, you fool. This damn fool, I raise my pressure. Can't manage, man. Can't manage.
Oh, I'm ratted. My future husband.
Future husband. Better swear that we just see a while ago.
I got my future husband.
No future, past. You know past X. You know X.
Look here. Anyways, are you me or I look fine?
Where come?
Come and miss you.
You can't miss me.
Why?
Come in on TV if you miss.
Listen to me.
Nor miss call.
Listen to me. Me ain't not left, you know.
Where me
Me ain't not left. I'm a virginity you take. You never get no use and lift.
You
go there when it's fresh, when it's smooth and nice. So you can't left it.
You can't tell me how me feel.
No, you're property this.
It might good but I'm a virgin.
Me say.
Me I tell you.
You never see blood when you done?
No sir.
Where do you see?
No come.
When you white sheet the blood up, where you ask me say?
I remember that.
Oh, you remember.
But you have to just figure it.
Anyways.
Pass. Me woman me go need something from woman right now.
You have to
so
live.
you know
you have
you're
to live.
pass.
Listen to me.
You know pass. So you pass just like it. So you pass you walk to the past. I'm going in the future right now. You
Listen to me.
Me not here right now.
You have to go live she because me want you. Me not stop till me get you.
Why?
Yes, our misery got me in your life. You know your woman mad.
That not gonna work out. Me
Remember,
guarantee
say
that
woman
not
mad
gonna
in-
work. Me know say you mad with
Yes.
you.
No, you might go kill.
Me
Cause
must
you give
kill
your property.
No, you don't get it.
Anyways,
Me a go look about my business and so.
me step here so me a wait for you.
Wait for me.
Yes, me a wait. Nah move. Hey, me feel just
Right,
wanna
I can't
come
even
back.
believe right now, but I'm gonna get a piece of money in a brother right now.
Yes, man,
Get
that's
a
right.
now.
Hello,
That's
come
right.
here.
What your
Come
problem?
here. Listen me, nobody
Where your
with
problem?
nobody with the right
Hmm?
now.
Where you want?
Sun hot. Anyways, me here mumble, you know.
So me can't mumble again.
How you gonna get the money where you go for?
Too far for enough. Me
You
tell
not
about
get
no
the money where you go for?
Tell about no money a while ago.
Listen to me.
Me tell about no money, my
Listen
girl.
to me. Me have the money over here, you know, but you have to go comfy. But in order for you to get it, you have to go give me something in return.
Give me something that me underpants I want.
No, it's dragon tail in your pants, I want.
God almighty.
Yeah. So you can come over my yard and make you eat.
I can't go up my yard and come and give me money want food. No, my prima, me can't.
Come now, me stop my jump in the yard, wait too long.
Make it jump man a rabbit, make it jump man a rabbit. Alright, see. You must have back up my yard, man. You can't bag the head. Quick backers. Alright. Come on, go up your yard. Where you live?
I live down there, so
Come on.
Yes. Yes, that was nice.
Nice.
Yes, me enjoy.
Give me money, come now. Waste no time.
You just depend money, so you can't spend a good time with me.
Can I tell me you there?
Me no
Sell
business.
a piece, you know.
Sell
Sell a
who?
piece, run me money.
So you start sell now?
Say run me money, me a whore, me a prostitute, now me start sell me boat.
What is?
What is not
Lord
this?
of God.
Auntie, where you go?
Hi, mommy.
Me soon talk to you, young man. So you have money now? And big money now?
Then look all me money, mommy. Yeah, see. Me save you know. Me save from last year.
So, young man, who you be?
I'm a man.
No say so. No say so, man. No, never yes say so again. Never yes say so again.
Listen.
IX.
I'm a
The
man.
past, you know, past tense. She want it thing, and she have to pay for it.
Kakafat.
Listen. I him take my virginity, yeah?
Yeah, me take
Yes. I did my
But
ex,
now,
but no,
past.
me get him back fully, I'm a man.
Get him back with our money if you want me back fully.
Hold on.
Me gone.
Yes, I'm a good
Are you
man.
take my daughter sweetness?
You know sweet again.
Hold on. What is not this? I sell you the cell.
Yeah.
So you're that desperate, so you have to buy thing
No,
now.
me not desperate. Me desperate for fame own. Cause I mean own it and my name depend that. My license that.
Outside the
Where
mall.
name there?
Hi.
Come take out my seat.
What your name there?
Take out here again.
I want in the man
Me-
see there JBL on the palm of my skin.
Me skin over it and me write my name pan.
You're right.
Me want know
So, mommy-
what their name day. You feel say you meet her mother, a big woman, and you can disrespect me, sir?
How?
Who the backside you turn your backside to and I check down this, sir?
Come and tell me say she named
So
me.
yeah,
She named me
baby.
about it.
So you pull it out, pull it out and
man-
show me.
Man not rip me man. Man not rip me man. Cause me not rip none of your man them. So man not rip me man.
I
Don't
mean,
do
I
that.
deal with so. Hey, are you the lick? Are you forget the lick? Are you forget the licking, girl? Me raise you for go buy man.
A man me a buy.
Backside, what is not this? Me raise
I
a
thought
young idiot, Lord. Judge, me
I mean
raise
not
a
wrong
fool.
with that. Look how much of your man them me buy man.
Oh my man! Oh my man! You think some me idiot and I jump on the itch like a you? Can you scratch it for you? Me scratch it for you? How shame you out the road? Him not even look good. Him trousers down on him foot.
I said boy they ain't wearing none of
Oh.
this. They look nice.
Oh, so when him get cool up in him backside and him get draft and
Me with that time. Me with that time.
We don't want for money. We don't want for money. And my money having a. Me is the one a batter and I work. Look how me when me I talk to you. Me are the one that a batter and I work and I put food on the table and I slave in the Babylon slave system. Huh? For you to take my money and give money. Then know you and him know you get the backside Jaja, what is this?
Watch out. How where you run from, sir?
Wait up on the road.
How run you down?
So one dog run me down, man.
Me have to come look for you, because you take too long up here. Let me tell you something hungry, you take 40 years to come back.
Oh, like a dog in top, man.
Which dog run you down?
Boy, man, I tell you, babes. They're not a dirty dog, man. We can't walk in peace.
So long for your bridging take for gear, look or something.
Me get him, man, but boy, man, I tell you. My dog get them bad, but how about you look at money again? And I borrow bird. Me just give me a thing this trip.
What you mean by you borrow your borrow?
The dog give me a thing this trip. So me have to pay him back. So me just get a look of fun.
So you run so and a sweat so?
No dog, I tell you say dog around me down be. Listen me no man dog.
Dog around you down, so how you go for dog around you down?
So one look at choppy, me a shortcut man, shortcut job, but that's a picture, you know. But me get a look of funds, man. See the funds in the pocket, man. Don't worry, funds there. No funds me get this trip. You can't laugh if you
Come,
man.
I'm hungry, let's talk. You get you something for me. Me I wait for you so then we go back up a yard go cook.
Me can go up a yard, me a come up.
Me I wait for you so because you take 40 years. Me have to wait till you come back. You so then the two will go up same time. Me not the panic bag of waiting thing no more. Me can't wait no more. Me out of patience, you know.
Like, yo, it's a watch me some man. Yeah, sure.
I hurry up and come back because my belly a roll. You left me from morning in the house and you just a come back. Every time it's a boy take long to come here for wait for him. Me have to come lay waiting man. Come you know how it takes so long. And the sun all hot too, you know.
How do you?
The sun hot, man.
Eh? How you there, so do you there cuss to yourself? You look like your man.
Sun hot girl, I'm there, sir. Somebody may wait pan we gone down, you shut down this stuff to come back.
A man you wait pan you too like about somebody. You can't just say if a man you wait pan you can't just say.
Yes, girl, I'm man may wait pan him gone down, you shut down this stuff to come back.
So you are going so strong for?
Because you pass me, sir, you tap a axe, you tell me about a man me there wait pan. Suppose me there want nobody know say a man me there wait pan.
I don't give a damn. You are going so dark and fool. Where you do? You're too young and dark, man.
So you're not young too?
Yeah, me young but me not dark.
So you have to dark in one point in time.
Where my name? Where you wait pan? Who you wait pan?
Say all that you want to know too.
Girl, if I answer a question.
Job one me there wait pan, girl.
Job one?
Yes.
Oh.
My job one me there wait pan.
Oh, your job one?
Yes, my job one.
Oh. Me did also say something but make it worse. Me only to go until a piece.
What you mean by? What you mean
yes,
by?
if you know what me know, you can go shop your same man, not true?
Yes.
Alright, so yes, if you know what you know, you're gonna go look at work and allow the man alone. That's what you gonna do.
What you mean by?
What you mean by? What you mean by? Well, I just get up every day, fight and a share, man.
What share, man?
I don't know.
Go my man there my yard every day. What you mean by be a share, man?
I just say. You hear what
I mean, my man live you know. So how me feel the share, man?
I
live with?
I just say.
But this not sound right.
If you and you know what, if you know what I know, you wouldn't go and go look at work and so you can't. You not feel weapon on the man for buying uncle you fin them. Can come like say if you don't get nothing fin them, you.
So who tell us you? Why me tell about him?
Then if you go and shop, when could I go and shop for me? Yeah, mumbling. One where. Go low this one yeah.
Can me can't
trust me, low that one yeah. You see that one yeah? That one yeah coming like oh so no. No name not the for describing. But
so
low, find a work. No,
understand why you just come
work.
And I tell me.
Just find a work, man. Just
I understand why you come and tell me XYZ.
Tap weight on the man. Tap weight on the man. Just find a work. Tap weight on the man. Simple. ABC 1, 2, 3.
It's alright. Me must figure it out.
You nah figure out.
Me I figure it out because I me run things don't run me. Me I figure it out. People just come and tell me this and tell me that. Girl see me on the road and war me. Girl cuss me and drop word. No man, it's not right. Me must be an idiot and a fool if you know say something don't right. But as me say, me run things don't run me. So I have to find out what is the issue and what is the problem. Make so much cargo bring come and go round. I write to somebody wait for him till he come from a shop. As he come me they attack him.
You can't turn down there. You better art with some buy, you know. You might buy a salt or something. Oh, I was in the yard from when?
What?
What's in your yard? What you mean what?
Oh, we are talk to some.
You
Me
may
tell
talk
us
to
me
some.
wait for you till you come back right so make me and you go up together.
I
And that
say
me
no,
tell
my
you.
girl. Put the chat down for road for
We
hungry.
are talk to. Oh, you are going to me drop down.
See that? See pussy. Now what about?
We are go buy.
So you can cook when I go up a yard.
Come on. I know so when me hungry, me angry now.
No man, it's not water.
Stop ramping me. Stop ramping me, man.
I love you, baby, but I don't like how you listen to me. You know.
Give me peace. Nice.
Kaka fart. Say your girlfriend this.
I'm a wife this.
What happened?
What happened?
What happened?
I hear so much about you.
What
What do you
happened?
mean by?
Okay, me hear a
Oh,
lot
what
about
happened?
you, my dear.
I let me find out where here.
Yeah. When people think, and I'm not, you know, but when people think, say a peace and safety, a sudden destruction.
What happened? No, sir. What happened?
I that want to find out what happened.
You're the wife.
Yeah, she the wife.
Okay.
Yeah, she me live with.
Okay.
So how can I wink off and no?
Can I wink off?
Aye, sir.
No, I must twinkle.
His son hot.
Oh.
His son hot, man.
The sun burn out the truth, I'll tell you. Oh.
You know this lady?
I see her in that place or something.
Okay.
She not coming to the same way too.
You know this lady?
One Rasta lady, I don't know her name, but I know her.
And you don't know nobody for me. My daughter, what is in the dark have to come in the light.
Cho. I want bass,
Have
you know.
a blessed day.
What's your name again?
Same to you. Have a blessed day.
Yeah, check
Me,
him
yeah.
Tourette's.
Me they look, yeah.
If him have Tourette's, kind of wink and a
His
twitch.
son.
How much
Fit,
Tourette's?
I fit.
Son, man, come out there, son, come
Oh
on, babes.
God, it's a bun the
So,
truth, I'll tell you.
so make you hurry for go home now.
For a woman to come on, man.
So make you hurry for go
Oh,
home
for a
now.
woman to go
You know,
a
so me
yard,
can't
my
take
girl,
your
now.
style.
Listen for
And
a
the first
yard,
day your
yo.
company road, and big things that I'm from your company road, you know.
I say a yard, Mike.
And big things that I'm from your company road, you know.
Brother, come on,
Every time me come on road a problem and somebody have to see me and stop me and I tell me something. What happened?
Come finna what happened?
Me paid for tell about this
They
yes.
say me love you, they know
Paid
like
for one about this yes and I said, bring down this glass come on me door and you're not here, you know.
You must have been a beat woman, so I don't want to mash up in the day, you know, so just ease yourself, you know.
What you say?
So I have to mash up today.
Take this here and go on up here. Come in and know where you talk about. Mash up who? Where you talk about? Just remember say me run things, yeah? Remember say me run things, but come mash up. From me your company road and me your things are going and we load up me mouth make you whole community hear me, you know. Oh,
Hey, make people know say you're a woman beater. Easy yourself, no man.
no tell me nothing. Where you come chat, no chat to me so.
Yo, shh, stop nice. Make people know say you're beating my girl. Come on, go guy.
Me make you whole community hear. From me your company road. People tap me there so tell me things in a code. You want tap me there so now, me don't know this woman from Adam, this woman that come and you wink like you have fit. Hey boy, hey boy, now ramp put me on the road, you know.
Say hello, woman, too.
Don't ramp put me on the road. Hey, you better go on up. Go on up.
Yo,
Go on up a yard. And make sure you look about something for me by the time if you come up. But. Come on, smile see me on the road and hey. Watch out now. You still turn up and wait for me, boy. Me say if you go on up, me bust your head.
What you fling stone for? Come on, can we go home now? Sure.
Hey, what a bam bam.
Fuck, mommy.
Oh God.
What me know?
The same man too. You point out to me the other day and say, no, earlier, and say is your man.
Yeah, what do him? You
Him
like
hug
him?
you up? When him walk down the road with you, him hug you up?
If he hug me up? No, he hug me up.
Oh, because
Remember
buy
say-
ya buy.
Remember say me just start link back in and so.
Okay.
Yes.
Me see him walk down the road with his woman. Like him own. I hug up and I walk down the road.
So?
What do you mean so?
Me that's no problem with that. He can have as much woman as he want. Me the one also when me call him for my thing, he available. I don't have a problem with it with no other woman.
Shorty, the reason me I talk to you so. Me no want you go down the wrong road.
Me
You're
no
my baby,
me,
you know.
that's why one man me I deal with. And him.
You're the wrong man that. You know,
No, I
say
write
no
one.
want you.
I write one. I best one.
Him no want you.
I say I write one, mommy, I best
You
man.
raise your voice after.
Me not raise my voice, but me tell I best man me ever deal with. I him I want, I him no more want.
Him have a woman.
Me no business.
Him claim.
I don't care. I don't care.
Look how much.
Listen, me so get rid of. You see, any woman in my deal with different from me so get rid of them, you know. I told me can't find one gunman for sleep.
Hey, what is that? The chat in the room in my house,
Listen.
on my roof.
I told me can't find one bad man to lay down with and give me quite Gucci and making shell out to them girly. Yeah.
No.
Any day me find one, I bet everyone I feel lift up.
A currency that.
Me no business.
A banknote that.
No. I feel property. And not even feel me like I feel. Only thing me I do I carry it.
Sasha.
But I feel.
When you hear me call you your legal name, you know, say me serious now. You're a beautiful black woman.
Me know.
You value more than that.
No. If me left him and go to nobody else, me I go less than them.
Jojo, it look like say you get all of my
I'm my man. And the best man ever have in my life.
Which that? You have so much to compare to?
Yes.
This is me can't talk to you seriously, you know.
Exactly. So.
Attitude, you give me a little girl?
No, mommy.
Hold on.
Mommy, me not get no attitude, mommy. Me just a stalk. Mommy,
I need one.
Where
I
are they?
told me want. Attitude, you give me a little girl?
Mama, where are they?
Attitude, you give me a little girl? Attitude, you give me. True, you take man now. You take man now. Huh? Me I try talk little sense into you and you chat farts in my ears all.
Mommy, I don't know. Mommy, if you have my daddy's shoes, you don't see your shoes and dirty.
Because you not talk sense. Me give two more to it.
No.
Make me see you and the dirty boy again. Make me see you and him again.
I don't know.
Cause me want to know if I that me a batter myself for you for go buy. For go buy? Me not give you enough love. Eh?
Mommy, I can't give my give me.
Oh. So no, cause you not give. You buy.
Me not.
You can't buy love, my girl.
Me not buy love, but
You know what?
I no love me. I buy me property. Me I buy.
You see the sweat start form on my head?
Yes, mommy.
Come out of my sight!
Mom, every day I want me come out of yours.
Yeah!
All right.
Lift up, little girl! Lift up!
Wow.
Out! Get out! This girl a come for mad me in this. Sure. So I should be glad you're there. I want to talk to you.
Yeah, mommy. What happened now?
I need to ask you something.
Okay. May I listen?
You love me?
Yeah. What kind of question that?
So why you love make me mad? Why you love me make me lick you so?
No, come here sometime to me get trouble. Like me come from school late and I remember sitting in the house or me know we hear when you had to talk to me.
That is the main one. You think so me love lick you?
No?
Me not like do it, you know. He's a big woman now.
Yeah.
He's 18, he's a big woman now.
Yes, ma'am.
Now is the time to start live life. Leave the boy alone, him no want you.
Mommy, you keep on telling me say boy no want me, I tell you something. And me want the boy.
One person alone can't love, you know. One hand can't clap.
Me know, but for me, and me put for me two them together and clap.
No,
like
me understand say you like him. Me not understand
Me not
what you like and
me
that.
not like him at all. Me love him. Me
Love
love
God.
the boy till me fool. Yes.
Hey!
Him a mad me.
Sometimes you talk truth, you know. Sometimes you really talk true because
Yes.
you really fool for true. I mean, I like that. Me not like that.
Some of me a fool you call me.
I bet everybody will look on you pan.
Me not business with people from me have my man me
But
alright.
you not have him.
Me so
Him-
get him.
Him move on.
Me no business.
Look how much man out there.
Me cause problem in their life. The girl is so happy lift up. And when she lift up, he might come back to me. So me really not care. Me no business when nobody want to talk say. I feel me man. all when me not have him yet. All if me have to wait till next year if he have him, I'm my man. I'm not top love him. I'm a headache.
Sasha.
I'm a wash belly. You ever hear what they say last pick me or first pick me your wash belly? I'm my wash belly that. Yes.
Hey.
My man, my wash belly, my headache, my comfort zone.
Sasha.
Yes.
If you look at work, build your
no want no
life
work.
now. Them have a saying, you know, and it's a good saying.
Me no want no work.
You say you love him.
When me get him, then me can go look work. Me no want no work at the moment.
You love him?
Me love him, yes.
Okay. Well, if you love something, let it go. And if it come back to you, it's yours. And if it not come back, it never was. So you let him go now. Watch and see.
How if you love something, I let it go?
Easy. You can't love somebody and hold them down.
It's hard.
No.
Me not
Get
want him
a
down.
work. Build a business. Build up yourself. Build up your future.
Mommy say work can't wait. Man come first.
Hey.
My man come first. Work can wait.
You see me butter me. One
Remember, so
butter with you.
Me have you for mind me, so me no want.
Hey.
Me a sit down and me a wait till my man come back. When he come back to me, then me go look work and take care of him.
All right then. Go look at work. Me meet you halfway. Go look at work. Build yourself up. If he's for you, he will come back. And then we can move on.
No, me want him come, then me go look at work and then the money when me get for me pay me using my name. Yes, me want buy him all I dear things, them Clarks and Reebok and you know, all I brand clothes them. You know, make me man look good and making a barber shop go cheap.
All right, so you want him look good.
Yes.
So where you gonna get the money? Cause you're done. You notice me hide my money.
When this you not here when me say when he come back in my life, me go look and work and when me get me pay, I him me go spend it pan. Me not fi take care of myself, you know me alright. But me want spend my money for my man. I want make sure say my man alright.
Well, here what? If me for put you out right now, where you are go?
Well, me not know if you can know mommy and me glad so you not put me out.
I'm glad you know.
Yes.
I'm glad you know.
Yes.
So how you know to live? How you know to eat? How you know the clothes and the self and then the clocks and then the this and then the that?
No, when me in the back when I start look and work, me rent one house. And while me take care of him with my money, see me I use some of my time parent. He not fi do nothing, he not fi work, me go spoil him. Me was say me headache, you know, so in here.
You give me a headache right you know. Here what?
Hush, me just go take one pill and lay down.
Me don't want no pill.
But
I want
you
you
say
to
that
get your
hurt you.
senses back. Me don't want to see you farm fool. You're a farm fool.
I mean, I tell you, I say me not no sense, you know. I
Well, get some.
God give me 5 senses and not 3. Me I say 3. God give me 5 senses and me I use the 5 of them perfectly.
Hey, me don't know about that. Do me a favor. Try for 6 months. Me not even say a year. Try for 6 months.
To do it.
Go get. If you want to go back to college, me find a way to help. Me find a way to do it.
Mommy.
But
Me can't go college right. If that boy then in my life, me can't do nothing.
no man, all man want good woman, you know. You can't cook, you can't wash, you
that's why
can't
I
clean.
want.
Thank God for washing machine, and you barely can do that.
That's why him I want, because we can have fast food every day. And when he close them for wash, in can me can't carry them come here, me can wash for me and clothes.
Hey!
But it might be a son in the line of stairs because if you can wash in clothes.
If you are farm fool, turn man puppy, it's a for your business that. But you not do it with my money.
Me not turn. I know your money, you just go sit down over by and you wash your clothes. Then.
Hey!
And
At the time you feel learn.
washing
That's why you
clothes
feel
and
learn before.
clean.
Dance a yard before you dance a broad.
Me-
So, before anything, I'm feel the sweater brew on my brow. So before anything,
how money you give me?
Gio,
Oh, thank you,
the
ma'am.
shopping list, see the shopping list there behind it. I want everything pan it. A $15,000 this. Me know the shopping already. It come to $1,473. Now come back with my right change. See the broom they're waiting for you. Go on. Now come back with every God Almighty
Someone make me
thing.
$50 more.
Am I right?
That's if me say me man. Me
You know
can't
see,
give
you
me
know see the pit
$50.
pan ground. You know see the pit pan the dirty. Make it dry.
Alright,
Make it dry. It's a dry. Make
Yes.
it dry.
Yeah, me so come.
Make it dry.
While me I go, me look me say me man.
Hey, make it dry. Jah help me.
The man na me I go get. The man na me forget. The man. Yeah. Me want the boy. I me forget the boy. Yeah.
Hi. Where you going, miss?
Me I go shop. Me want the boy. I me go get the boy. I me forget the boy.
Which boy? You said boy.
Yes, my man. The boy.
You not have nothing to do.
Girl, you see me I go shop and sing me good song.
Which song?
Me want the boy. I me go get the boy. I me forget the boy. Oh, I'm tell.
Girl, you embarrass me. Me and you could never be friends and you go and solve one. No, sorry, my mistake. Me and you are friend and you go and solve a piece of man. Even one man in a piece of man. Cause that the man there's not a whole of man.
Him not pizza and I'm my man. I me want him. I me go get him.
I no fear you. I no fear. Just accept the facts. You know your man.
I'm my man.
I no fear.
I'm my man.
Wendy. If I fear Wendy.
In your vineyard.
How you know that? Over yard with the woman. Cause truthfully, where I did see a woman up this way upon him. You didn't know that? And let me tell you. My ask is a woman say man gonna shop gonna buy something eat and this and that.
I may buy her something to eat because I buy something from him too.
Oh,
Yeah, so me give him a couple of them hundreds that my mother give me. Yeah, me got. Me give me because she dead for hungry, so me just buy the go.
Buy a what?
Put something from him one day.
What's that?
I don't know, a dragon tail. I give him a couple hundreds, yeah, a couple of mother hundreds them. Yeah, come they want the dragon
God
tail.
know what make never make me a sister cow and jump in your belly. I swear, I don't jump in your gut.
Not in there for you jumping.
And which is why I don't jump in there and puff you and make you explode. Welcome. You know, no sense, man.
Girl!
Either ways, how you not gonna check me over me? Because truthfully, over here, I me go, you know. Because me say, I haven't seen you in this long while and I thought you got picture with the girl and she come out and beat you.
No, me not picture with her yet. Me not picture with her yet. You see me I go back from man at the time, me picture with the girl.
Okay, only hope she'll lick you down this
Lick down who?
Yeah, Pato now.
Girl, go on, me I go gossip.
Go on, friend.
I want the boy, I me go get the boy, I me have to get the boy, yeah.
Hello.
Hey,
Oh, you're right here.
Good to see you, baby
Yes,
girl.
it's good to see you too. Oh my God.
That's your
Yes.
foot.
Yeah, I said always okay. Me did say me I call her for shorty because a long time she not come on my yard, so me I can check if she alive or she went to see Jesus.
No, man, she good. She gonna shop.
Okay, cause personally me think she a walk look for trouble. Cause a while ago me see her, he must sing on the pan. Me want them man, me I go get them
Yeah,
man,
you know.
me I forget them. Or that them a sing I come up with. There's a girl where you chop boy. Me say where you go? You say me go shop. So me want them man, me I forget them man, me I forget. That's all in the pan I sing. There's a
No,
girl
man.
like you still the pan the said man. Yes, me still the pan the said man cause I'm happy and appear that they did the pan. And I saw me and him back and forth with the said thing.
No, so me I forgot to take her go a doctor. It look like so me I forgot to take her go a doctor.
Doctor
Because she
can't
a mad
help.
out.
Doctor can't help. Take him go lab, go make them do experiment on him.
Me don't know, me I forgot to do something because
He coming like he not learn. Me say shot loud the man. And he still the pan the same thing. Over and over and over again.
no, man. I just talk to her, you know. And I beg her for live her life first.
Yeah.
And let him go and move on.
Me tell her to let him go to and she no want hear.
She not even listen to you.
No, me tell her say one me did have to knock in the courses but come like say I knock them out instead man.
Jaja.
He not
Yes,
learn. You have to deep him up man, you have to turn up on him so that he know say you're serious. Cause come like he not think you're serious anytime you say you go this and that. He come like fear methods them not work. You have to sit down on him man. You say Lily, sit down on him.
Kayna, me lick her. Me not lick her. Me use Me liquor tell me all my hand then ting. Then a sting, then ting. Me just talk to her, you know. Me say, alright, the beating now work. Make me reason with her, heart to heart. And she
A while ago you say?
just now.
Well, you come like you ain't work neither, cause in the dusting out along down the road I got a shop.
Me never seen nothing like this from the day me born.
Let me say, hey, I know what happened to a man have a woman and leave her look her way.
And that me see.
I say, girl, come on, man, value yourself. Me say, a whole heap of people out there. Me say, right now, if you go out the road, a couple man want you. I hit me tell him, say, a little brown nice boy when they don't know him, and I'll take a look her, and he couldn't go to him, you know. And he about, you know, want a job on him. What they on job on? In job on them? After that, you see, you know. I'm not seeing nothing on job on.
Sometimes me love Shorty, you know. She my baby. But sometimes I wish you was my baby, you know.
I understand that part, but no wish for that. Probably that's why I gotta give you this one you fit test.
That's why I have to love you.
Half of that there is a day. You see, now this life, just say you just say total opposite of where you are. And you will probably get in the future. Like how you say you wish you have somebody like me. You probably get somebody like a Shorty again, cause if you continue to say that, you know, see it, man. You will get somebody like a Shorty. I gotta test you, man. I gotta test you.
Well,
So, yeah, I just let them come over here to you. Because a girl now function right. I'm tell her, say, me and her can be friends if she go function like that.
no, and she'll be a fool to lose you as a friend. Here what, me I go come with you. See if we can find her. Because me have to do something.
Knock sense in him.
Me have to do something.
Knock him.
Yes, young man, me glad to see you.
How I go now?
Me can ask you a question straight to the point.
Ask away.
What is your intentions towards my daughter? You love her?
Intentions, what do you mean by intentions?
What is your plans for my daughter? You love her?
What is love?
What is this?
What is the meaning of love?
So you have no feelings here other than down there saying in your pants?
No one of me want wear in my pants. As she want to, you know, so she have to pay for it. Yeah,
Yes.
sell it to her.
Hey, let me tell you something. I do this so you can understand. Fully understand this. My daughter is not a bank, you know.
No, listen me out. Me don't tell her so I don't want her back from Fanny first. I see first you see me in her. She see me before them say, yo, listen me out. I don't want you back. But she you know, she want me when I want her. So I say, listen me out. I go look at money for my birthday and the money if you give me. But she overhear it. I say, yo, she can't give me your money. I say, normal pre man. One wants some money see me and food put in my house. I say, alright. What your plan? He say, you want this thing in my pants. So I say, I have to pay for it. And she did.
Hey, my boy, know this, you know. Know this, you know, youth. My picnic, me no work hard and give my picnic money. Tan far from her. Tan far from her. Wait, so what? Wait, let me hear you. Come up and say it again. Hey, girl. Let me tell you one or something. Tell your man to stand far from a picnic. Come here, mad one.
What am I talking about?
I don't know. No.
What she talking about?
I don't know.
Mr. What this lady I talk about?
I don't know.
You don't know? You don't know? So my picnic is invisible. Eh? My picnic is invisible.
I don't know business. I tell her already, I don't know what you're talking about.
My daughter don't know bank loan, you know.
What's here?
That you can go, and enjoy, and you want to get the enjoyment out of this, you know. If you talk to your man, you know.
Me get enjoy.
What do you man talk about?
Aksar, I don't know. Me try to confuse myself. Confused.
Mr. What do you want to talk about?
I'm like, I don't want to tell life of myself. I'm telling life of myself. I don't know.
So the woman tell a person I talk nothing for nothing at all.
You know, when
For
people
nothing at all.
when I get older, then get, you know, men.
Hi, what you say about me? All what? All which part?
No, me was
No, what you talk about in the youth?
You know, young.
No, what you talk about in the youth?
No, sir.
Oh, let me tell you something, young girl. Train your man better. If you turn away from the picnic.
Job one. What the woman attack?
What? Me a mad man.
No, bro. Yo.
stay away from a child.
What go on already?
Me no business
What
stand away
business?
from her, right?
I want you to stay far from me, come in like her, I don't want her.
So how you think get up for her?
What you say? What you say? What
Deal with your man in her.
What she
Because
not
a
say?
real girl and man clown
What she
this.
not say? Me a eat so I want man, me a the idiot.
Yes.
You know what she
You're the
talking
fool for true.
Me a the idiot.
What can I eat that?
Hey, job when you better talk, you know?
I'm fit
What the woman talk about?
Me not
What you
hear
talk
this.
about?
What you
What you
talk
talk
about? Me
about?
fi spell it out. Him in a dealings with my daughter, while him in a
Which daughter?
dealings with you. Turn away from her.
Which daughter you wanna
Yes.
talk about?
Drape him up and deal with him. I say if you do.
What the lady talk about?
Dirty
You know what you
girl.
talk about? Come on, man, no bother with that no man. About no
And when
scene
you
here,
find time for go wrap up with the woman daughter, where they
bother
talk
with the
about?
scene right now. You don't know, say yo.
You know, say you not for ramp with me, you know?
Look how we live. Look how we live good.
Me say, you know, say you not for ramp with
that.
me.
Yes. Una
You
really
know woman
suited
talk
together.
about.
Una suited.
Jesus Christ.
Me yo, me tired to tell about the disgrace, you know. You boy, me tired of it now.
The woman I don't
What kind of thing she a talk about with her daughter, you and the daughter thing?
chain, I make you, I say the rest of the woman I make my bush, I make chain. When I see me go lick it with that big stone in the
Where the woman a talk
You
about?
talk about me.
You turn up in my face and tell me lie. Yeah, you turn up in my face.
Me tell you for myself.
Me see you turn up in my
Me see myself
face.
go to jail. The people me don't know. Listen me man. You have a daughter you want but me don't want her.
But how you think? Oh, the thing reaching at the argument.
Which thing?
Me not tell you say me with Papa
No,
Afi.
you grab every time you want grab you go bossy. Look at my shirt man. Let me go now be. Yeah. Better go man talk about this. So go talk about this.
Me not in a no talk
So go
out.
talk about this now
Me
man.
not in a no talk out. I know how me come down already. Say best thing you do let go from me and go on up a yard till me come. Cause something I gonna meet you when me come up there. Out of order. Out of order. Eh? Alright, back on you me they come. Babes. What's your? The man not in here. Ah, dude. Babe! Not hear him now. The don't when could have gone. I like him starting to walk about too much. I go look. Every minute me have to walk and look for this you think can't see it in the yard. Me can't take them and sit you know. Oh, I can look for big man like I pick them here and hunt down. Lord God, me can't bother. Jabun! I wonder if a people here think. Jabun! What's up? Oh God, I'm tired. I can look for people.
What kuya? This is kuya. What happened to you?
What happened, girl?
Nothing.
Oh God, me there walk and look for me man.
I went the last.
No, me tell him say go up a yard and by the time I go up a yard, me not see him, girl. Me I walk out. You not see him?
What? What me look like to you? Man to? Man
Well,
storage?
me ask you a
Man walk
question.
and look for so that's
That's
as...
a ask a simple
Maybe
question.
when
Yes
me
or
cuss,
no?
me cuss, me never get for cuss about.
Yes or
So what me look like? Man storage or so every walk you know I walk. You see me man so me fi do. Walk and collect them as you know. So you see me man, me fi go. Okay, see a man
You
there.
see me man, girl?
No, I don't see a man. I don't know where your man gone. I haven't seen him for a long while. How do you?
Girl, I'm a man me there walk and look.
So weird. Come back. What you say now? Like which man you look for?
Girl, you know the man me I talk about. Jawbone me they talk.
Oh, Jesus,
Yes,
what
me
now?
man.
Right now, him good look at someone with another girl or
That
another
what?
woman or another something, but he's
No, but
probably
no matter make that slip out
somewhere.
here more. Don't bother with that slip out
I
here.
know,
Go with which woman? I wish next woman.
I know slip it a slip. I
You
look
mad?
at fox me a
You
chat.
crazy girl.
How me feel mad?
Right now, me
Girl,
can't tell you long
I
talk,
walk
you
up
know.
and down. Jordan, I look for man. I know me I do that. What am I? Which one I will look mad right now?
Yeah, me can't take a long talking and argument you know. I'm a man me they look for. I'm not top till me find him. So me I go look for me man. Jabun!
Oh Jesus,
No,
man.
wait, no, wait,
Oh my
man.
God.
Jabun! Why?
What's the mean? She come
What
for?
are we this in? Oh God.
You come for more?
Come for more or what?
Oh.
Me not know man. Me not depend the fighting man. Sorry for what happened the other day, you know. Although you jape up me and my man and bring the excitement on the road, but
Oh,
Sorry
me did
for
I
what?
prepare.
no sir, not depend the fighting thing, you know. You know, see my man from morning.
What's so special about him, so?
My man.
Me did a drop hints to you, know. As a woman, you're supposed to be able to pick up signal.
What kind of hints that?
That man are not good for you. I'm a man too. Him there in the dealings with my daughter.
Hi. Which daughter? Which daughter?
No, you name Nikki?
Yeah.
Yes, Shorty is my daughter.
Shorty?
Is
my best friend?
Yes, my daughter.
Shorty, my best friend, you know? Jesus Christ, what kind of something them you know, dear God? Shorty?
Mm-hmm.
You know, see me in there fight the other day, do you?
Aha! Me hear about it. But I'm not shame for a fight over that the walla that got trigger foot pissing tail dry head boy. Gigolo.
Me a walk on the right, your daughter the on the left, she come over the right, come and drop word and I go on with the excitement them and all kind of things. So me get ignorant now and go up in the face and then the war kick off and back start show who forget backs get backs.
Nikki,
Jesus.
you know a young picnic. You allow him. He may not know good for you. May I try talk to my daughter too.
Can't believe that this boy really did it to Jesus Christ. No, sir, God, if you're not busy coming.
Allow him, man. You know, allow him.
All right. Thanks for telling me.
Because I take my money. She take my money. And I give him. And I mine him with my money. Me I work. So anytime you see that, me not even say him. Anytime you see that, I come in with big money. No say my hard-earned money I use.
You're not saying.
He must sell front to my picnic. She have to pay down penny. That's why me I tell you for a long time and I drop word to you for a long time and I like see that happen to woman.
Jesus Christ. It's alright. Thanks for telling me. I know what I'm going to do now. It's alright. Me tap walk and look now. It's alright. I know what I'm going to do. Yeah. Thanks for telling me everything. Thanks you very much for telling me. I know what I'm going to do. Thanks.
Hold on. What you up to?
Don't worry yourself, man. You're going to hear about it later. Just thanks, alright? Just
Not
thanks.
do nothing foolish, loud boy. Him no mean no good.
Oh, me can't find Jabon. Jabon! No, sir. I could have won me man there. Jabon! Oh, I got bestie.
Don't best me, no girl.
Then I'm wrong with you in idea.
Don't best me. What me man there?
Which man?
Me no say you have him now, you know you can't hide again, you know.
Which man?
What me man there?
Girl, remember say me first did the man. Remember say I him first me did with and him take me virginity. So what me by way your man there?
Cause me know say you have him this time.
So yeah, how girl, if me did have him, would I walk and I look for him?
What me man there, girl? Talk.
My blood, it come like a deaf.
What me man there?
Stick back off in your
Oh,
ears.
come like is the next box you come for, you know.
Oh, what this?
Is the next box you come for?
Oh, so you fight
Is the
over
next
man.
box you come for?
You fight over man
What me
again.
man there?
If me didn't know the mother walk and I call out here, call him Jabon. What Jabon there?
Girl, me not ask you again.
Me look for my man and you look for your man.
You look for your man. That means take me man.
Man,
girl. That means take me man for true. Hey, girl. That means that me not pass for left me man alone. I'm feeling me not pass for left. I'm man, girl. Hey. What's your name? What the man there, girl? So what me man?
Me not love you sweet for man. Me a friend
for man.
No, me a friend girl with one of that girl. Me dey think of you.
Come with girl.
Yeah, me dey think of you.
Come with girl. Listen, Sana, you have him this time.
No.
I know you.
Me think of the young girl with.
Come with girl.
Yeah.
He's alright. He's alright. Look, clap, me must get to you.
Girl later.
Oh God. I hope them listen to me in the Lord. I mean, know what me I got do.
Mami, oi.
What do you?
The girl beat me for your man.
Oi, you get beaten for man. Oh God, hush. Hush. Come sit down. Maybe that might learn you. Lord, you do the right thing. I want to talk to you because it look like so you're full of nonsense.
Do it.
We know with this. And this me did I talk about, Sasha. This is what I was trying to warn you about. Could you know? Girl beat you out the street, you shame?
No.
Lord God, what is this?
He lit then the holy hat. And then he got throw me down in the bush again. Encourage bite me up.
Hey, that's to bite you up, it not bite you enough. It not bite you enough if I bite you away from a bite you and cool you down.
You know, say, not help me.
No, okay.
You're not in a situation right now, you know, you only make things worse.
Alright. Sasha, what if it was worse? People no walk, you're lucky say she walk with fists. Eh? People no walk with fists no more, you know. A knife and gun now, you know. So what, all acid in her face. What if that did happen? What me would I do?
You could acid me.
Lord, boy, man, that should be a lesson to you. Go look about something for yourself and get your independence. And Lord, boy, you could have lose your life.
Mommy, you know something I listen to you. Me need to stop encourage me to leave the boy alone because I'm not going to leave him. I feel me man. I mean, I stop till me get him.
Okay.
And me don't talk.
Okay.
And me beat her back, you know. Okay. I bet me get somebody analyze her. Yo, alright, just watch. Watch. I'm going to analyze her. I'm my man, for me man. Not for we, for me. You're a good son-in-law. Yes. So you have to go live with it.
You know what? Come to think of it. You know, so you're right.
Yes, man. Yes, it.
Because one thing we realize in life, you
Yes.
see, if you can't beat them, join them.
Exactly.
Alright, are you a man?
So you join me and analyze her.
Oh God, me I got join you.
Yes,
Me I got really join you.
Yeah,
You know?
I will get bad man and analyze her.
Alright.
Yes.
Stay right here, so don't move me, baby.
No problem.
Since we can't beat you, me have to
Yes.
go join you.
Yes,
Close your
mommy.
eyes, me have something for you.
Alright.
I have something for you. Me give him.
Me feel lie down.
Yes, man, lie down.
Right. Yes, me set it.
Lie down and set yourself,
Yes.
baby girl. Close
Yes.
your eyes too.
Yes, mommy.
Close your eyes
Yes.
too. So I'm going to join you.
Yes.
I'm going to join you.
Yes.
I'm really going to join you. Little girl. Love me alone. If you love me, come on. I love me, come on. You can't hear me. You can't hear me. You can't hear me. They're going to do what you want. I'm for me raise. I'm young idiot me a raise. They take my hard-earned money. They take my hard-earned money to give you for to buy food and thing, right? And you take it for I buy man, and I buy man and I love with it. So me give you enough love. Me give you enough love. Me give you enough love. You want more love? You want more love? What you gonna try lick me? What you gonna try lick me? Try lick me? I look here, try lick me, baby. Little girl. Little girl. How man you want? How man you want? I don't get what it does. I know what you want. I don't get. Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight. A man you want, a man you gonna get. Damn idiot. No, sir. No. If anybody I could give out what they don't get, I must be.
Jesus Christ, I can't believe everything I go through with this boy. Oh God. That's why I don't see if it's so far with money.
Babes.
Where are you?
Me no me are there. Me
Why
live here.
you reach in here, son?
Me no live here. It's me key here. Me have me key.
Where you
Same
are
way.
here?
That's where you move from.
Where were you?
Girl, same no girl.
Don't touch me, say where were you?
Me were me. I was hustling.
Hustling, they have me walk over a globe like me an idiot.
I was hustling.
Like me a mad smaddy.
I was hustling, baby. I wasn't in the vision alone. I was on the road. I go on the beach.
That you call it hustling. Hustling.
You're looking for money to put some food in the house. Look there. No
Jabon,
food.
get up.
When me must get up.
Get up and go.
Brother, I'm
on.
tired. I don't want to sleep right now, baby.
A matter of fact, you don't have no key to my house. No key, you don't have no access to my house none time. Get up off of the bed and go on back where you come from.
Me see a road, my house, me a come off a baby.
You don't want me to know that mouth, you know? You figure out who you deal with? Don't touch me.
Go make it up, man.
Let go off of me about makeup. Me say let go off of
Go
me.
make it up now.
Let me go. Me not have time for that. What did I do? What you did?
What me did I do?
You did sorry. What did I do? What you did? You did sorry.
What me do?
You think me would find out?
What me do?
Me say if you think me would find
Find
out.
out what?
You still turn up in front of me and play like you don't have no clue what go on.
Find out what baby talk to me now. Sit down and talk to me.
Hey, me say don't touch me. Don't touch me. Me know say you're my best friend. Did they?
Who that?
And me know say you're gonna link her for your broke and get something in your pocket that you're gonna use by food. So you think me an idiot?
So babes,
You think me never did that for no?
I don't love that.
You think me never know?
Babes, listen, man.
But you still put the thing there door.
Me use boots.
Me no business.
I just still
I
your
could have
bell not full.
boots door.
Your bell not full.
Yeah.
And me still put the money in your pocket, you know.
Here.
What you mean here?
Get up off bed and go on, please, sir.
Make it time for cooling. Yeah,
You
babes.
don't have no respect. Go on.
Give me a-
Me want the best.
give me a hug.
Me no want to up for you. Myself, go on, through the door. It finish, done,
Yeah, get a chance for cool.
over.
Make a cool. Yeah,
Through the door.
make a cool long man. Cause your
Through
temper too high.
me door. Through me door. And that's what me doing there. Idiot. Right.
Oh God.
Hi.
What happened, baby? Alright?
Yes, I'm okay. Me just come for tell you, cause you know say me I go tell you every and anything because you want to know say job one other woman I come ask me if me say job one or something.
Me see her out the street too.
And what happened?
Me girl, the other day me have to drape up the two of them, you know. Me
So
have to drape them up. Come on, if me can't talk sense into Shorty, me gotta talk sense into him. And she come loud up her mouth. So when me see her just a little while ago, she come apologize. So she said I look for him. Kaka fart, how what this?
Shorty, baby. Shorty. Yo.
Hi, nobody come from around to make noise.
What you mean?
About Shorty,
Shorty, go
baby.
and check.
Watch out.
Which part?
Am I going to your house?
Me want to see what their name they are going to my yard. I call you limp already. Hey boy, know yourself, you know. Know yourself.
So me can't look for woman.
No, she not your woman.
What
She
you mean
will
by
never be
woman?
your woman.
What do you mean by
Yes.
that?
You want me to really prove it to you?
How?
Lift up.
Shorty.
Take all the noise off from my veranda.
My girl, give me a call, my girl. Oh, God, be
all
a
this?
God.
Watch out. Me shall be
Come in your house, me come.
Yes.
Oh no, hold on. We have something for you. So we're not a couple now, and then now. So you leave your woman for my daughter.
Leave. No, man. Never have no woman.
It look like something else.
Exactly.
Never have
Remember
no
say
woman.
woman there walk and I look for him.
Yes, I like far from me.
That fishy.
Yeah.
Very.
Normally would on there woman yard. And
Very-
this one shorty.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I never have no woman. Shorty, no woman for a long time. But you, nothing on to, you know.
Okay. Well, all right. Since you're my son-in-law, I'm have to accept it.
Yes.
Hold on, little bit.
Yeah.
Give me a bag. Yeah.
Baby, give me a little
Okay.
room there.
Me-
Don't
me-
leave, don't.
Let me hold it back. No, no, wait, no, turn up your son. She said, you know, little space. Turn up this son.
Let me put on my
One now,
slippers,
girl.
Where you put on slippers for?
You have them to go in your house. Come in your house.
Yeah, no.
You dirty broke you! Little if you left me, take me alone! Come out of this! Me want to see what kind of son-in-law you be. Not in my yard. Oh.
Alright, yes guys, you've made it to the end of another video. And thank you all very much for watching to the end. And make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Alright, so yeah guys, that's all I have to say. Just enjoy the movie. Peace out.